This is how to program the travel and force limits for your Guardian 928 jack shaft opener. We're going to start by opening up the control panel. First, you're going to press the limit button. That's going to make the up indicator light turn on. Then you're going to press the up button to bring the door to your desired up position. So I'm going to press and hold it until it gets there. Once the door is where I want it to be, I can adjust it in small increments by just tapping it up or down. That's about where I want it, so I'm going to push the limit button again. It's going to flash OK. Then both the up and down lights are going to turn on. I'm going to press limit again and again, and now the indicator light shows down, so I'm going to do the same thing with the down button. I'm going to press it until it goes down to the desired place where I want the door to be. When it gets close to the bottom, I can again push the down button to adjust it in small increments until it gets to where I want it to be. Right there, it's nice and tight against the floor. So now I'm going to press the limit button again. The OK button is going to flash, and then these two lights on the up and down are going to light up. And then I'm going to press the blue force button, and that's going to adjust how heavy the door is lifted up and pushed down. And that happens automatically. So once you press that button, you just let it do its thing. So it's going to go up to the desired place that you have and down to the desired place that you have. And once it does that, it's going to letting you know that it's programmed. So that's it. Now you've just adjusted the limits on your Guardian 928 jack shaft opener. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please call us today.